Shabbat Shalom Mashpachah. Hope all is well with you out there. I hope that you are having a super Barak Sakkat. May the Most High continue to bless you and keep you and give you shalom that surpasseth that all understanding. That shalom that surpasseth all understanding. This is Haham Yup and Yahweh at the wisdom praise of Yahweh. Hoping all is well with you. I'm out here on this Sukkot night to sound the Shofar. Hopefully tomorrow we will be able to give you a little tour of the Sukkah and the inside and all the details on what we did to put it up and put it together. As you can see, these are the palm branches, and you can see the Tetragrammaton, Yahweh, on the side of the Sukkah. And this is a very, very fun time in the Most High's feast. Sukkot is like one of the funnest. And we're going to be out here for 7 days, and then we're going to be out here on the 8th day. Sometimes we go with people out into the mountains or at a lake, but we're in our backyard. And we should tabernacle wherever we have, or wherever we're able to tabernacle, to wait for the Most High, because we are His bride, and He's the groom coming for His bride without spot or wrinkle. So this is a special appointment. So I'm going to sound the shofar, and we will see you tomorrow in the morning in the Yom. Hallelujah. All praises to you, Most High Yah. We just thank you for this special day that you have given us. I pray for all of those on the four corners of the earth, that you will give them Barak down to the head, down to the soles of their feet, that you will continue to Barak in their life, from the east to the west, to the north and the south. All right, Mashpachah, we will see you tomorrow on another Shabbat.